Hello everyone, hi Virgo, S sign. This is the reading for you 2021 prediction. So these are the headlines only. I'm not going in detail. So this is very quick message for you Virgo for 2021. So let's see your overall reading for 2021. These are the only headlines. Okay. Let's see overall look. Okay. Let's see. Virgo S sign. Your quick messages for 2021. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone, guys. Keep in mind while watching. First your card, your reading. Wow. Hermit, Virgo, your card. Wow. I want one clarification card for, yeah, Seven of Swords. Okay, it is very good reading for you, the overall look. Okay, so let's see your reading, Virgo. I think your January month is going to be very spiritual for you. You are undergoing some spiritual awakening, some transformation in January. Yes, you are isolated from all. You are not talking to anyone in January, or if you are talking, that is very little because you are undergoing some transformation. Then February, you are getting some love offer from your person, and you want to offer your love to someone. Okay, there is love, definitely there is love in February. And in March, definitely the Fool, there is brand new beginning. Okay guys, you started something new in your life, in career wise also, in relationship, some brand new beginning. There is a chance because February someone is going to be offered, and in March you are going with the flow, very very positive energy, and you started something new in your life. And in March and April, so March you are going with the flow, and April definitely your wishes are going to be granted. In first 4 months, very very good for you, Virgo. Definitely you are going with the flow, you are at a high energy level, your wishes are going to be granted. Wow, very very good for you the first 4 months. And middle 4 months is also very good, because Queen of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, and Knight of Wands and Judgment. Some major decisions are going to be made by you in middle of the year. And Queen of Cups, definitely you have strong emotions. You are receiving so much love and caring from your person. Excuse me. Yes, Queen of Cups. And you also have strong emotions for your person. Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, you are achieving financial stability, and relationship there is stability coming in. And in financial, definitely you are achieving some financial stability in the middle of 4 months. Okay, in the middle 4 months of the year. And Knight of Wands, yeah, someone is coming to you. It could be your new person. They are very very passionate about you. Yeah. And Judgment, definitely some major decisions you are making some major decisions in the middle of 4 months, August. So maybe in career wise you are taking some major decision, crucial decision making, like in relationship also. Definitely 8 months are very good for you. Whatever I'm seeing here, there is wishes going to be granted, and stability coming in, love coming in, and lot of care you will receive from your person. And okay, so in the last 4 months, definitely there is some communication, what I'm seeing here. You are very honest person in this connection. You are very straightforwarded in nature. Yeah, there will be some communication and clarity is coming in. And King of Wands, definitely you stand by your power, and there is some communication. I think your person maybe, I think someone is entering in your life in middle. They may be sneaky. Yeah, somehow I think dishonest communication, what I'm seeing here. They may be lied to you. There is something in the November, Seven of Swords, something sneaky. You will find out that too also. Okay, and Death, yeah, some transformation you are undergoing in the December month. It is very good for you, especially this only November month. But you will find out, I think it's regarding the communication, not a third party, not a sneaky. What I'm getting here, someone is lied to you. That I am getting only that. Okay, not very big thing. Wow, it is just amazing, starting with transformation and ending with transformation. Your year, Virgo. Yeah, your person involved could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Scorpio especially. Yeah, in middle 4 months, in first there is brand new beginning, you are going with the flow, your wishes are going to be granted. In the middle you will achieve emotional stability and financial stability. You will receive a lot of care and love from your person. Then some major decisions are going to be made in the middle of the year. In the last 4 months, definitely you stand by your power, and you will get clarity in everything of your life. And in the last, you are undergoing some transformation also, okay? Or your person involved may be undergoing some transformation, or you came to know that they lied to you. Could be anything, okay? So let's pull some cards from universe, the final message for you. Oh. So let's see. Let's pull 4 cards. Virgo. This is very quick message for you. Not in detail. So wow. Yeah. So in the first, definitely 3 of Pentacles, you are investing your money in something, and there is collaboration. Someone is coming for in relationship to work on this relationship, and then some communication, some celebration, and equal give and take. Yeah, in the last, definitely equal give and take is coming in your life. I think your person may be not committal in past. Definitely they want to offer equal give and take, and there is some celebration in your life. I think instability is coming in your way, and commitment is also there is celebration. I am seeing somewhere in your life. 3 of Cups and 6 of Pentacles. Definitely you are achieving some financial stability also. Yeah, there is a lot of Pentacles and celebration, what I am seeing here in these 4 cards. Some communication is also. So you are achieving balance in both financial and relationships also. Wow, this is just wow, very good year for you, Virgo, what I am seeing here. Yeah, you are achieving everything in your life at the end of the year, okay? If your person may be lied to you, sneaky, they will be also changing for you, because the Death card is here and 6 of Pentacles is here. Definitely they are coming back for second chance. Definitely, for sure. So this is the reading for you, Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.